So I thought I'd do a tutorial to show you all how I use the Dyson Airwrap to achieve this really big bouncy blow dry that literally lasts me like a week. So first I'm going to start with damp hair. So my hair is like 70-80% damp. A lot of people struggle with using the Dyson Airwrap, and I think it's because you just don't know how to use it, or you're using it on hair that's too wet or too dry. So make sure it's 70-80% damp. Then I'm going to section my hair. I just do 2 sections, but it depends on what you want to do. First, I'm going to use the brush attachment just to go over every strand of my hair and get rid of all the frizz. This is the absolute key to getting a smooth blow dry, but there you can see me wrestle my hair for it. Then out of the 2 barrels, I'm taking the smaller one because that is what's going to give you the tighter curl. So I just wrap my hair around that and I'm pulling it back and forth just to create some tension, because the tension is what's going to get you the curl. I take mine all the way up to the root, but the key, like I said, is just to keep tugging it. That's just going to create the tension. And there you can see me use the cold shot just to set it in place before I get it down. I'm then just taking a silver clip and pinning my hair into place. This makes the world of a difference. So if you're struggling to hold a curl, try pinning your curls as you're doing them and just take them out the end. Trust me, your blow dry game will be changed forever. Once that's all pinned up, I'm just going to repeat the process again on the other side. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be to pin your curls. Next, I'm taking the Colour Wow Raise the Root spray and I'm just spraying that into the roots of my hair just for a bit of volume. This stuff is genuinely the best thing ever for volume. I have linked it to this video, hopefully, if it's worked. But yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm then taking the round brush attachment, and what you're going to want to do with this is focus this at your roots. This is just, again, to pick up that volume. So I'm just focusing it at the roots. I'm not really putting a curl or anything in through the rest of my hair. Like I said, this is purely just for volume. It's a lot easier to use when you've got shorter hair, but yeah, you do have to pull and tug quite a bit. So it is an arm workout, but it is so worth it. And to be honest, I only have to do this once a week because my hair lasts. So up until the next time that I wash it, this is just what I'll do. So yeah, I'm running that back, forth, and then on both the sides, just to make sure that the roots are fully dried firstly, especially with the product that I added in. And then just to like increase that volume at the roots, because that's where you want the volume. I'm then using the small barrel attachment just to add the curl back in. And again, I'm tugging this, so I'm tugging it towards the end, and then once I've added a bit of tension, I'll take it up to the root, do a cold shot, and then release it. I do use the barrel on my front 2 pieces as well, and then what I'll do is go over it with the round brush attachment just to, because I like these pieces to have a lot of volume. So again, focusing it at the roots, adding the volume, and yeah. So here you can just see me go back and forth with it, and I'm just repeating this a few times, to be honest. You can never have too much volume. Take a shot every time I say volume. So then I'm just using this as a roller and sticking it on the top of my head. I'm going to use a little clip just to secure it in place. So when you look like a crazy woman, that's when you know your blow dry is about to slay. I then just go and take out all my pins. So by this time, these curls have been sat for like 40 minutes. So you know that they're fully set into place. Just going to do the same thing on the other side and get those pins out. Then I'm going to take this Perfumes de Marly hair mist and just, well, firstly eat it and then spray it through my hair just to get a bit of fragrance in there. I do love a good hair mist. Lastly, I'm going to take this Colour Wow Style on Steroids spray, and oh my god, this is the best texturising spray ever. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like it just fluffs up my curls. Like my curls look bigger and it just adds more volume to the curl itself, which is crazy. But you can also use it at the roots. I don't think I sprayed any into my roots on this day, but forgot to mention that I did just take out my little roller. And I'm just using my fingers to run through my little curtain bangs, because they can look a bit crazy when you first take them out. So always just run your fingers through them, and they do loosen up, so you don't end up looking like George Washington the whole day. But yeah, that's how I use the Dyson Airwrap to do my bouncy blow dries. No gatekeeping around here though, so if you do have any questions or if you want to know about products and stuff, just write it in the comments.